So this is the MSC Poesia. These are the inside cabins. Cabin 8038 was mine. And there's the room. It's very compact, but as good as it could get. This is the double bed. This is the bunk bed. And a lot of mirrors. It was two singles, but then I made them put it into one double bed. These are the amenities. It was a structure of events, then glasses, water, ice box which is empty, and cupboards for clothes. And yeah, that's the mini bar below the television. That's the Portugal shirts I got. This is the washroom, towels, a very small sink, but that's all I needed. That's me. And tired, very tired right now because I haven't slept. And that's the shower. And again, back into the room. And that's about it. So, as expected, the casino would not work, of course, because this is Qatar and land laws, the law of the land applies, so they cannot operate casinos here. There's the roulette, there's all the slots, got everything in here. Very spacious, very big, very spacious. So you can imagine when it's working how amazing it would look. It's blackjack. So I haven't even explored the ship yet. I just entered, I just checked in, and I don't know how I ended up here. We've got Spain versus Germany. I have no idea where I'm going. Oh, see some views here, if you guys can see. This is another balcony. Oh, we got the amphitheater here. Okay, so we're entering the amphitheater of MSC Poesia. This is something which I've seen in the pictures and looked forward to exploring myself. This looks amazing. It's really charming, this place. Very cool, very interesting. All right, let's go out. Oh, what's down there? Here we have 3 tables of blackjack, and we got slots all around. 5-card poker, and then we have roulette. This is the bar. I love slot machines, but of course not working right now, not allowed.